Mosaics. These beautiful shiny small tesserae. We produce them every day. Millions of pieces coming out of different furnace operations. We are PML-The Mosaic Company. We are an ISO certified organization adhering to environment management standards, occupational health and safety, and quality management standards. Our state-of-the-art plant with European machines helps us achieve world-class quality. The plant is situated in Gujarat, India, and caters to over 50 different world markets. With the team strength of over 500 people working dedicatedly with an aim to beautify our customers' living spaces. With a legacy of over 20 years, this experience, clubbed with collaboration with designers, helps us to create innovative products and bespoke design for different markets across the world. We have an intrinsic passion towards mosaics. We are deeply dedicated to enhancing design aesthetics, and we keep pushing the boundaries to give you the look and feel that you deserve. Our in-house design studio helps transform designers' ideas into reality. To enable seamless and superior quality mosaics for your needs, we have also introduced LinkTech, the most advanced system to assemble mosaics. Using advanced robotic systems, this polyurethane binding system helps in enhancing the durability of the installed mosaics. From personal space to designing cityscapes, our vast mosaic range provides all kinds of aesthetic solutions for all segments. PICCOLO Mosaic Limited, the Mosaic Company.